Dear sir and ladies, in that moment I want to explain to you one very interesting truth. Muslims, I mean peoples who believe in Islam, Muslims really love Jesus. Can you believe that? No? I can guess that you want to see a strong proof. Okay, I will give to you a strong proof. Please look at that page. It has taken from Turkish Government Statistical Institute. As you know that Turkey is a big Muslim country and 99% of population are Muslim. The Jesus name is the most used name which in the first 100 name in Turkey since 1950. Did you get that? Can you figure out that? As you know, nobody gives this name to their children, although they don't like. Don't believe TV and newspapers. Please believe that Muslim people really love Jesus. You can check by yourself. We are not enemy. Only ignorance is our common enemy. Thank you very much.